Engxoxweni namalungu emikhosi yemine yombutho wezokuvikela kwexwayiswe labo abasebasha kulombutho esikhathini lapho iSANDF ikhongethwe izinsolo zokuhlukumeza ngokocansi.
As a whole catalogue here, it's a thick thing of sexual harassment cases where you're not dealing with them in the defense. We took samples to the lab. The lab is slow. But that does not mean that you cannot remove an alleged rapist out of the atmosphere they are in.
Modise unqenqe ojenene besifazane ukuba balekelele labo abasebasha ukuze bakhule kulomsebenzi. Lieutenant Colonel Petogo Molawa ungowesifazane onsundu wokuqala ukungena emkhosini wasemoyeni othathwa njengokhonywa ngamadoda kuphela.
It's still more suited for the male counterparts. So we do still have a lot of work to do in adjusting and getting the policies and regulations that are in place now to accommodate females in the flying environment.
Njengoba sekunemithetho emisha, izigameko zodlame olweyamene nobulili zizothathelwa inyathelo.
We now know what steps to take within the organization, and it's no longer vague or relying on a commander to either take a decision or not, but there are now processes and procedures.
UNgqongqoshe uthi lo mnyango kufanele ukugcizelele ukuyiphatha ngendlela efanele kwabesilisa nabesifazane embuthweni.